Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great and good. I'm so excited because today I'm gonna explain my final project, and it's about the human integumentary system skin layers, and it's done by me, Manel Djaber, from 12G1 in the American International School, with Miss Nazima taking anatomy and physiology in F4. So first of all, I'm gonna explain what is the skin, and then I'm gonna go to the skin layers. So as we know, the skin is the largest organ of the body with the total area about 20 square feet. And we know that each one of us, we have different skin color, and those different skin colors, they are created by special cells called melanocytes, and those melanocytes, they are located in the epidermis, and they produce the pigmentation melanin. Now it depends from each person to person. For example, if I have high melanin, it means I'm gonna appear more into dark color, and if I have low amount of melanin, it means I'm gonna appear more into a whitish color. Now I'm gonna go to the functions and the importance of the skin. It basically protects us from microbes and the element. It also helps regulating the body temperature and prevents the sensation of touch, heat and cold. As well, it maintains the water balance and participates in vitamin D synthesis. Now, as we know, skin has three important layers, which are the epidermis, dermis, and the hypodermis, which is the fat. I'm gonna go here down. This is my model, as you can see, the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis, and I'm gonna explain each one of them in a detailed way. So first of all, the epidermis. The epidermis, as we know, it's the outer layer of the skin, and most of the cells in the epidermis, they are keratinocytes, and they contain basically, as you can see here in my model. Now, as we said, the epidermis is made of 5 layers. So first of all, the stratum corneum, and the stratum corneum is a layer which serves most in thickness, and it's about 20 to 30 cell layers, and as we know, it is under the layer of the skin, and it serves as the primary barrier between the body and the environment. For the stratum lucidum, it's about 2 to 3 cell layers, and it's found in the palms and soles. For the stratum granulosum, it's also about 3 to 5 cell layers, and it has tiny granules full of the components that are produced by skin cells, and it's packed in granules. And keratin, which is what gives your strength, is packed in a little keratohyalin granules. And for the stratum spinosum, the stratum spinosum, it's also known as the prickle cell layers, and it contains irregular polyhedral cells with cytoplasmic process, sometimes called spines, and it's about 8 to 10 cell layers. For the stratum basal, it is the deepest layer of the cell, and it's found in this layer that are cuboidal to the columnar active stem cells, and they are constantly producing keratocytes. Now for the derms, as we know, it is a thick layer of the fibrous and elastic tissue, and it's under the epidermis. It's also made mostly of collagen and small amount of elastin that gives the skin flexibility and strength. And as we see over here, this is my model, and you can see there are sweat glands, hair follicles, sebaceous glands, and blood vessels.